वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय मृत्यवे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। थर्ड मंत्र। येन रूपं रसं गन्धं
येन रूपं रसं गन्धं
शब्दान् स्पर्शांश्च मैथुनान्
शब्दान् स्पर्शांश्च मैथुनान्
एतेनैव विजानाति
एतेनैव विजानाति
किमत्र परिशिष्यते
किमत्र परिशिष्यते।
तद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
स्वप्नान्तं जागरितान्तं
स्वप्नान्तं जागरितान्तं
शोभो येनानुपश्यति
शोभौ येनानुपश्यति
महान्तं विभुमात्मानं
महान्तं
मत्वा धीरो न शोचति
मत्वा धीरो न शोचति।
य इमं मद्वदं वेद
ययिमं वेद
आत्मानं जीवमन्तिकात् ईशानं भूतभव्यस्य न ततो विजुगुप्सते एतद्वैतत् यः पूर्वं तपसो जातं
यः पूर्वमजायत अध्यः
पूर्वमजायत
पूर्वमजायत
गुहां प्रविश्य तिष्ठन्तम्
गुहां प्रविश्य
तिष्ठन्तम्
तिष्ठन्तम्
यो भूतेभिर्व्यपश्यत
यो
यो
भूतेर्व्यपश्यत
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
या प्राणेन सम्भवति
या प्राणेन सम्भवति
अदितिर्देवता मयि
अतिथिर्देवतामयी
गुहां प्रविश्य तिष्ठन्तीम्
गुहां प्रविश्य तिष्ठन्ति
या भूतेर्भिर्व्यजायत
या
भूतेर्व्यजायत
भूतेर्व्यजायत
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
अरण्योर्निहितो जातवेदाः
अरण्यो निहितो जातवेदाः
गर्भैव सुब्रतो गर्भिणीभिः
गर्भिभिः
दिवे दिव ईड्यो जागृवद्भिः
दिवे दिव जागृवद्भिः
विष्मद्भिर्मनुष्येभिरग्निः
हविष्मद्भिर्मनुष्येभिरग्निः
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
up to this we saw with the last mantra, the 8th mantra, along with the Bhashyam we completed in the last class. Now the next mantra, this mantra also like the mantra, the previous mantras, like the mantra number 6 and 7, where Hiranyagarbha, through Hiranyagarbha, the Sarvatma Bhava was talked about. So this mantra also, now, it describes Hiranyagarbha. Through Hiranyagarbha, the Sarvatma Bhava is talked about. Mantra number 9. Here, in this mantra, Surya Devata, Surya here in this mantra, Surya Devata is talked about. Surya Devata, who is the Adhisthana Devata of this, the vision, the sight. That Surya Devata, which is the part of Hiranyagarbha. Surya Devata is the Virat Rupa Saguna Brahma, which is born from the Hiranyagarbha. So that Surya Devata, through Surya Devata, the whole Virat, the Virat is Upalakshitam. The whole Virat is represented through Surya Devata, to Surya. And this Virat Rupa Saguna Brahma, which is born of Hiranyagarbha, which is born from Hiranyagarbha, unto which it resolves in Hiranyagarbha, and that all the Devatas, not only Surya Devatas, through Surya, all the other Devatas resolves into that Hiranyagarbha. That Hiranyagarbha is Brahma. It is not separate from Brahma. That is what this mantra says. So in this mantra you will find the word Suryaha. By Suryaha, it represents the Virat. The Virat, Swarupa, Saguna Brahma. We know that the word Virat, Virat Ishvara is this Saguna Brahma. Stula Samashti. Samashti Stula Rupa, Samashti Stula Abhimana Chaitanyam is Virat. That Virat is not separate from Brahma. Hiranyagarbha, which is Samashti Sukshma Sharira Upagita Chaitanyam, that is not different from Brahma. Similarly, the Ishvara, the Antaryami Ishvara, which is not separate from Brahma. These are the different names given to the Brahma from the standpoint of the Upadhis. Upadhis being Mithya. Therefore, they are not separate from Brahma, they are Brahma. Etat Vaitat. The previous mantra we saw the Agni. The Agni Tattvam, the Agni was presented as Virat. The Agni was presented as Virat. So in this mantra, taking this Surya Devatas, all the Devatas, Surya Devata represents all the Devatas. All the Devatas, this Virat Rupa, it comes out from Hiranyagarbha and resolves back into Hiranyagarbha. It sustains in the Hiranyagarbha also. So this Surya Devata, which is the Devata, Adi Devata. The Surya Devata, which is at the Samashti level, stands for this Agni Devata. The Surya, Agni Devata at the Agni Devata stands for the Surya, which is the Adhisthana Devata for the vision, and the same Surya Devata, which is in the form of Agni Devata, which stands for the Vak Indriya, represents the whole Virat. Represents the whole Virat. So this Virat is as its Janma from Hiranyagarbha. It's sustained by Hiranyagarbha. And unto Hiranyagarbha, it resolves. So this is similar to the Vakya of the Taittiriya Upanishad. Yato va imani bhutani jayante yena jatani jivanti yad prayanti visamvishanti tad vijignyasasva tad brahmeti. The same line of the Taittiriya Upanishad. This here it is talked about. Yataha imani bhutani. Imani bhutani. Here instead of bhutani, it says Surya Devata. This Virat. From which it has come. So that Hiranyagarbha. Etat vaitat. So Suryena upalik. What is upalakshitam is the whole Jagat. The Virat is upalakshitam. So this Virat is Avirbhavanam. The Virataha Avirbhavanam. Yasmad Bhavati. Yasmin Tishtati. Yasmin Gacchati. That Hiranyagarbha is Brahma. That Hiranyagarbha Brahma. It is the mantra says. Now we will read the mantra. Yataschodeti Suryaha
Yataschodeti Suryaha
Tam Astam Yatra Cha Gacchati
Astam Yatchati
Tam Deva Sarve Arpitaha
Tam Deva
Sarve Arpitaha
Tadunatyeti Kaschana
Tadunatyeti Kashana
Etadvaitat
Etadvaitat
So Shruti through this mantra talks about the Sarvatma Bhava. That is the one Tattvam, the Atma Tattvam, which is alone in the form of everything. That is called Sarvatma Bhava. Like in the Rudram. Rudram also. In the Rudram, we offer Namaskara to everything. Nama Shushkya Gata Haritya Gacha. Shushka, which is dry, Haritya, which is green. Everything is Ishvara, Bhagavan. Namakatya Gacha Nipya Gacha. There is nothing which is not separate from Brahma. Everything is Brahma. Sarvam Atma. Atmanaha Rupam. That's called Sarvatma. Sarvatma Bhava. So that is presented here. That Brahma, the Paramatma, which is presented through the Upadhi Veda as Ishvara, Hiranyagarbha, Virat. This Hiranyagarbha, Ishvara, Hiranyagarbha, Virat. This three will cover everything. At the Karana level, at the Sukshma level, at the Veshti level, presenting the Saguna Brahma, the Nirguna Brahma is presented through Upadhi in the form of Saguna Brahma, Ishvara, Saguna Brahma, Hiranyagarbha, Saguna Brahma, Virat. It covers everything. It covers the total, the entire thing. So Brahma, which is the Adhishtanam. Adhishtanam is presented through all these three. So when we say Ishvara, Hiranyagarbha, Virat, it doesn't mean there are three different things. They are not three different things, they are just the three names, Nama. They are just three names, three different names given based on the three different Upadhis. Upadhi being Vidya. Therefore, they are not different from Brahma. Brahma with Maya Upadhi. Brahma with Maya Upadhi gives rise to this Sukshma Prapancha. And the Brahma through the form of Sukshma Prapancha, the Saguna Brahma, it gets the status of Hiranyagarbha. And this Hiranyagarbha further when it through which the Stula Prapancha Paramatma, when it is born, then it gets a name Virat. So the difference is there only in terms of the Nama and the Rupa. And Nama Rupa being Mithya. Therefore, what is there is only Paramatma. Everything is Atma, Sarvatma. Sarvatmakatvam is presented. Through all these mantras, Sarvatmakatvam is presented. In the 8th mantra, previous mantra, we saw the Atma, Paramatma was presented as Virat with the Samashti Stula Prapancha. Now in this mantra, the Shruti again, it talks about Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is the Shruti, it is sometimes presented as the Jagat Karanam. When we say Hiranyagarbha is Jagat Karanam, it means Hiranyagarbha being not different from Brahma. Brahma Jagat Karanam. Brahma is Jagat Karanam. So Hiranyagarbha is presented as the Jagataha Karanam. Jagat Karanam Brahma. And this Hiranyagarbha is what only in the Purana, it is presented that Bhagavan Vishnu created Brahmaji and Brahmaji created this entire Srishti. So Ishvara created, from Ishvara is born this Hiranyagarbha, and this Hiranyagarbha created the world. So Hiranyagarbha is presented as this Prajapati, Brahmaji. And therefore Hiranyagarbha is Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanam. So this Surya Devata, which represents the total Jagat, the entire Srishti, Surya, Chandra, everything. Surya is only a Upalakshanam. One commentator says, Suryascha karat Chandraha api gragyaha iti. When he says Surya, Chandra also has to be brought in. Not only Chandra, the whole Jagat. Because Surya is only the Upalakshanam. So therefore, this with reference to Surya Devata, this Virat, Hiranyagarbha is presented as Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanam. That Hiranyagarbha is Brahma. That Hiranyagarbha is Brahma, and nobody can transcend this Brahma. Na atyeti. That is, na atyeti, na atikramati, na atyeti. Atyeti means there is nothing other than Brahma. There is nothing other than Brahma, nothing separate from Brahma. That is the meaning, na atyeti. Yataha suryaha udeti. Yataha from which suryaha udeti. Surya udeti, the sun rises. Yataha from which? From what? From Hiranyagarbhat. Yasmat, yataha is equal to yasmat. From which? Yasmat, pranakyat, adidevakatma atmakat, suryaha udeti. So yataha means from which? From which? Suryaha udeti jayate. Niyamena pravagati. Surya Devata niyamena pravagati. That Surya Devata astam yatra cha gacchati. Astam is setting, sets unto which that is Hiranyagarbha. So pranakyat Hiranyagarbhat Surya Devata udeti astam cha gacchati. That Hiranyagarbha from which the sun rises, unto which the sun sets. Hiranyagarbha from which this Virat rises, unto which this Virat resolves. So rising and setting is talked about. What about the sustain? The sustained by Hiranyagarbha. So udeti astam gacchati tishtati also. It's not only jayate liyate. Udeti astam gacchati. It also tishtati. Tasmin tishtati. Tasmin yasmin chidatmani tishtati. So it is sustained by Hiranyagarbha. So the word Surya is an interesting word, Suryaha. It is from the dhatu Sru dhatu. Sru means gatau. There are many dhatus having the meaning of movement. Gatyartaka dhatus. Sru dhatu is one dhatu. Sru gatau sarati. Sarati it is Suryaha. Akashe sarati. Akashe sarati iti Suryaha. The word kaha we know, ke gacchati. Akashe gacchati iti kaha means bird. Not only bird. Kaha is anything which flies in the sky. Could be a plane. Plane is also a kaha only. Similarly, Akashe sarati iti Suryaha. That which moves in the sky is called Suryaha. Because of Surya Devata is only people have the motivation to do the karma, the activities. Kriya Shakti. Surya represents the Kriya Shakti. And we know that Hiranyagarbha, when we say, in the Mundaka also we saw, Pranaha, Manaha. Prana, when we say, Prana represents the Kriya Shakti. Prana means Kriya Shakti. And at the Sthula level, the Surya represents the Kriya Shakti of Hiranyagarbha. Surya represents the Kriya Shakti. This Surya, which seems to appear which seems to rise and which seems to set, rising and setting. In fact, the physical Surya never rises, never sets. It is only from the standpoint of the Prithvi, from the earth, it only rises and sets. But sun doesn't rise, it doesn't set. Similarly, this from the Hiranyagarbha it rises, Hiranyagarbha sets. There is no really speaking Virat rising or Virat setting, because everything being Brahma. What is rising, what is setting? It is only a viewpoint. It is only the viewpoint. So therefore, this Surya, which rises and sets into Hiranyagarbha, which represents the Kriya Shakti. So this Kriya, when the action is, when the resolution of action takes place, then we say the Kriya Shakti of Hiranyagarbha is resolved. That is called Astam Gacchati. So, Yataha Suryaha Udeti Astam Yatra cha Gacchati, it rises from Hiranyagarbha and resolves into the same Hiranyagarbha. Yataha Panchami, from which it rises, Apadana Panchami, Yatra Yasmin, unto which it Gacchati, that Surya Devata, Tam, that Tam Hiranyagarbha, Tam refers here Hiranyagarbha, Tam Devaha Sarve, Devaha, Sarve Devaha Tam Arpitaha, Sarve Devaha Arpitaha, Karmani, Sarve Devaha Tam Arpitaha, Sarve Devaha Tam Adhishtitaha, Arpitaha means Adhishtitaha. All the devatas are based on this Hiranyagarbha. All the devatas means Surya stands for, Surya is one deva, Agni devata, similarly Vayu, all other devatas you can bring in. The same Surya from the Indriya standpoint, it is Agni. You know, every Indriyas have got the Adhisthana devata. Every Jnanendriya, Karmendriya. Vacho Vannihi. For the Vak, devata is Agnihi. For the eyes, the devata is Suryaha. Every Indriyas have got the Adhisthana devata. So therefore, all the devatas are Adhishtitaha, Arpitaha, Tam. That is unto which this Hiranyagarbha, from which all this evolve and sets. So all the devatas are based on that which is Hiranyagarbha, which is not different from Brahma. Na atyeti, kaschana na atyeti. Kaschana na atyeti. Nothing can be away from this. Nobody can transcend this. What is atyeti? Atyeti means atikramati, atigacchati, going beyond. What is it going beyond? It means it is not separate. No one can be away from Brahma. No one can be separate from Brahma. Nothing can be isolated from Brahma. Na atyeti, atikramati, kaschana, kopi, na atikramati. A pot cannot be different from clay. A pot cannot choose to be different from clay. Minus clay pot doesn't exist. That is called atyeti, atikramati. Similarly, the ornament cannot choose to be different from gold. Ornament cannot transcend gold. Wave cannot transcend the water. Pot cannot transcend clay. Therefore, nothing in the world can transcend that Hiranyagarbha, that is Brahma. So that Atyeti means existing apart from, different from. That is Atyeti. So Kaschana na Atyeti. Nothing exists apart from, away from, isolated from Brahma. It means everything is Brahma. That is why Sarvatma. Everything is Atma. Etadvaitat. Etadvaitat. That this is what that Brahma, which is Prakritam, which is under discussion, and this is what Nachiketa also asked. Etat Nachiketa sa prishtam tad Brahma etat vaitat iti. So therefore, yataha means, yataha is Panchami. So that means Hiranyagarbhat. Pranakyat Hiranyagarbhat. Pranakyat Hiranyagarbhat. Suryaha. That is this Virat Jagat. Udeti. Niyamena Udeti. There is an order in the creation. Yasmin cha astam gacchati layam gacchati. That tasmin, in that prana, tasmin prane sarve devaha arpitaha. All the devatas are arpitaha, adhishtitaha. And that Hiranyagarbha, which is the Sutratma, like the sutra which connects all the beads in the mala, the sutra which connects all the flowers in the mala, that Sutratma, which is the Adhisthana, nobody can transcend that. Nobody can be away from that. Nobody can be away from that Brahma Tattvam. That is the meaning. That is the meaning of this mantra. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Yatascha Yasmat Pranat
Yasmat pranat
Udeti Uttishtati
udeti
Uttishthati
Suryaha
suryaha
Astam Nimlochanam
Astam
nimlochanam
Yatra Yasminyeva cha
Yatra yasmineva cha
Prane.
Prane
It is Prane, not Pranaha. It is mistake. Prane. Yasmin Prane, because Yasmin is Saptami. Therefore, Yasmin Prane, referring to Hiranyagarbha, not Pranaha. So typo. Yasminyeva cha Prane.
Yasmineva cha Prane
Ahanyahani.
Ahanyahani
Gacchati. Tam Pranatmanam.
Tam Pranatmanam
Pranatmanam
Devaha.
Again, one mistake is there. It is not Agrayadayaha, it is Agni. Agnyadayaha.
Adyayaha
Adidhevam.
Adhidaivam
Vagadayascha Adhyatmam.
Vagadayascha
Sarve Vishve.
Sarve Vishve
Ara iva Rathanabhau.
Ara iva Rathanabhau
Arpitaha Sampraveshitaha.
Arpitaha
Stitikale Sopi Brahmaiva.
Sopi Brahmaiva
Yataha. Yataha is from which Tasil Pratyaya, Panchami. Yataha is equal to Yasmat. Yataha Yasmat. Kasmat. Yasmat Pranat. Pranat is Hiranyagarbha. Prana means Hiranyagarbha. In Shruti, you will see the word Hiranyagarbha is not used, but you will see the word prana. Prana and or manas. Manas also Hiranyagarbha. So pranat, Hiranyagarbhat, udeti. Udeti. Udeti is, dhatu is in dhatu, in gatau, with ut upasarga. Udeti, uttishtati, rises. Yasmat pranat suryaha udeti. Suryaha udeti. Suryaha represents this, the Virat, Ishvara, the Saguna Brahma, Virat, Ishvara, udeti. Gacchati. Astam gacchati. Astam nimlochanam. Nimlochanam means setting, disappearance. Going away from sight. Nimlochanam. Mluch with the lut pratyaya. Dhatu is mluch. Mluch dhatu with ni upasarga. So from the Hiranyagarbha, from the prana, the sun representing the srishti, which rises, which sets. Yatra yasmin yeva. Yasmin yeva cha prane. Prana is Hiranyagarbha. Yasmin yeva cha prane. Yataha yasmat pranat udeti. Yasmin prane astam gacchati. Into which this sun rises and sets. Agani agani. Kada agani agani. Every day. Pratidinam. Dinam prati. Pratidinam. Agan means day. Agani agani. When Deepsa is there, it means repetition is there, it means every day. Day after day. Every day. So every day sun rises, from which, and every day the sun sets, into which that prana, Hiranyagarbha, tam pranatmanam, that which is in the form of the prana, that is Hiranyagarbha, sarve devaha sarve, agni adayaha, agni etc., agni, vayu, Varuna, all the devatas. They are adideva. They are adidevas. They are adideva. Deve iti adidevam. They are adidevas. That is, with in the context of devatas, they are adidevas. Agniyadeha adidevas. Whereas in the context of the indriyas, they are vagadeyaha. Vak, etc. Vag, pani, payu, all this as the organ of speech, etc. Karmendriya, Jnanendriya. They are adhyatma. The Hiranyagarbha, which from the standpoint of devatas is adidevam, from the standpoint of this indriya is called adhyatma. So adideva, adhyatma. Tam, referring to adidevam, adhyatmam from two different standpoints. That is with reference to the sense, with reference to the indriyas, the karmendriyas and jnanendriyas, that tam adhyatmam, tam adhyagyam, and to which this sarve is vishve. The word vishve is also sarvanama shabda. Like sarva is sarvanama shabda, vishva is also sarvanama shabda. Vishve sarvanama shabda, everything, all the sarve devatahas, vishve devaha, arpitaha, sampraveshitaha. Praveshi means it is entered. It is not entered. It is based on. It is adhishtitaha, sustained. When stitikale praveshitaha, because Udaya and Asta talked about. And what about Stitikala? Stitikala also it is sustained in that Hiranyagarbha. Stitikale api. स्थितिकाले सर्वे विश्वे देवाः संप्रवेशिताः, they are sustained स्थितिकाले. How an example is given. This example similar to the same example like the Mundaka Upanishad. Like the araha means the spokes of the wheel. Ara iva ratanavo arpitaha, like the spokes of the wheel or arpitaha, they are sustained, they are hold fixed at the center by the hub above the wheel. The spokes are connected. The different spokes of the wheel are connected to the center hub. Similarly, araha means spokes. Ratanabha is nabi of the rata. Rata is chakra. Rata means not the Ratanabha means you have to take the rata as the chakra, the wheel of the rata. That hub, it has got the central part. Hub. Nabi is the hub, the central part, and to which all the spokes are connected. Similarly, all the devatas, Adi Devata, Adi Yajna, and Adhyatma, all devatas who presides over these sense organs, they are all based on Hiranyagarbha. They are all sampraveshitaha, adhishtitaha on this Hiranyagarbha. Saha api Brahma eva, sopi Brahma eva, that also Brahma alone. That Hiranyagarbha, unto which all devatas are sustained, or hold, or based, they are, that is Brahma. That Hiranyagarbha is Brahma. That Hiranyagarbha, it is Brahma, not separate from Brahma. So everything is Brahma. Therefore, Sarvam Atma. Sarvam Atmanaha Swarupam iti. Then the next line. Tat etat Sarvatmakam Brahma
Sarvatmakam
Sarvatmakam
Brahma
Brahma
Tadu Natyeti
Tadu
Tadu
Natyeti
Natyeti
Na Atitya
Na
Atitya
Atitya
Tadatmakatam Tadanyatvam Gacchati
Tadatmakatam Tadanyatvam Gacchati
Gacchati
Kaschit Api
Kaschana Kaschit
Kaschana
Api
Api
Etadvaitat
Etadvaitat
Tat Etat Sarvatmakam Brahma. That Hiranyagarbha is Etat Sarvatmakam Brahma. That Hiranyagarbha is this Brahma, which is in the form of everything. Tat Etat is referring to that which is Prakritam, which is under discussion. Tat Hiranyagarbha, Tat Brahma is Etat Brahma. That Brahma is this Brahma. That Brahma is that Hiranyagarbha is this Brahma, because the discussion, the topic, the subject matter under discussion is Brahma. And Tat is Hiranyagarbha. Through Hiranyagarbha, we present the Brahma. So Tat Brahma, that Hiranyagarbha, Tat Brahma is this Brahma. Sarvatmakam Brahma. Sarvam Atma. Sarvam Atma. Yasya Saka Tat Sarvatmakam. That Atma is alone in the form of everything. Sarvatmakam Brahma. Tad Brahma, that Brahma, Kaschana, Kopi, na Atyeti, na Atitya Gacchati, Atitya is Indatu again, movement. Na Atyeti, no one can Atyeti. can transcend and can go away, can exist above this Brahma. Atyeti is nothing can be away from, can exist apart from Brahma. Atitya. Tadatmakatam. Tadatmakatam. Tadatmanaha bhavaha. Tadatmakatam. Tadatmakatam. Identifying with that tadatmakatam. Tad anyatvam. Tat anyatvam gacchati. Tadatmakatam. Na atitya tadatmakatam. Tat anyatvam gacchati. Tadatmakatam. Tat anyatvam. Tat anyatvam is different from that. It cannot different. Tat anyatvam na gacchati. It cannot be away from that Brahma. So transcending Brahma is not possible. It's not possible for anyone. Kaschana kaschidapi tad anyatvam na gacchati. Tad anyatvam na gacchati. Na atyeti. So nothing can exist apart from Brahma. Kaschana kaschidapi. Anyone. So therefore, this Hiranyagarbha or Virat or Ishvara cannot exist apart from Brahma. Virat is the name given to Brahma with regard to the Upadhi. Upadhi Mithya. Similarly, Hiranyagarbha is also the name given with reference to the Upadhi being Mithya. Similarly, the Ishvara, the Karana Sharyam is also Mithya. Therefore, in reality, what is there is Satyam. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Therefore, Hiranyagarbha as Brahma is Satyam. Ishvara as Brahma is Satyam. This Virat as Brahma is Satyam. Therefore, being Mithya, they cannot be Satyam. They don't have independent reality. And Brahma being Satyam, therefore everything is Brahma. All of them are only Brahma. Therefore, Brahma is that which has this Sattvam, the existence. Nothing can be away from Brahma. Na abhavo vidyate sataha. Abhavaha na vidyate. Nasato vidyate bhavaha. Na abhavo vidyate sataha. So, Mithya doesn't have absolute reality. The asat doesn't have asataha bhavaha na vidyate. And sataha abhavaha na vidyate. So, that which is Mithya cannot have absolute existence. That which is Satyam, that alone has existence. So, everything being Brahma, therefore, the Namarupatmakam Jagat, and that is whether it is Sukshma, Stula, or Karana, they are Mithya. Therefore, minus Namarupa, what is only is Satyam Brahma. Etad Vaitat. So this alone is this etat, this in the form of Hiranyagarbha. This what is in the form of Hiranyagarbha is that Brahma alone. Etat Vaitat iti. Then the next mantra. So in this mantra, Hiranyagarbha was presented as the Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanam. As the Srishti Sthiti Laya Karanam. So through this, in the next mantra, the Upanishad will talk about the Jiveshwara Aikyam. In fact, all these mantras are Mahavakya mantra only. But in the next mantra, which is going to come, there the Jiveshwara Aikyam. In fact, it is a Mahavakyam. The Mahavakyam which is in the form of the shloka. The Mahavakyam is talked about. When we say that Hiranyagarbha is not from Brahma, Virat is not from Brahma, everything is Brahma when we say. Everything is Brahma when we say, and that everything when we say that includes all the jivas. Now, though the jivas are not specifically talked about, the next mantra it is going to be talked about and say that Jivatma is Paramatma. That's why it is the mantra itself is a Mahavakya mantra. For that, Bhashyakara gives a very nice Sangati, the connection to the next mantra, which we will read. Yat Brahmadi Stavaranteshu
यत् ब्रह्मादिस्थावरान्तेषु
Vartamanam
वर्तमानं
मानं
Tat Upadikatvat
तत्तत्
उपाधिकत्वात्
Abrahmavat
अब्रह्मवत्
Avabhasamanam
अवभासमानं
Samsari Anyat
संसारी अन्यत्
सारी
अन्यत्
अन्यत्
Parasmat Brahmanaha iti
परस्मात्
परस्मात्
ब्रह्मणः इति
Abhut
मा भूत्
Kasyachit Ashanka iti idam aha.
कस्यचित्
आशंका इति इदम् आह
Having talked about Sarvatma Bhava, now Jiveshwara Aikyam. That is the connection. The beautiful connection. Sarvatma Bhava talked about. Then Sarvatma Bhava talked about that time itself. The Aikyam should have been understood. But this mantra, the following mantra, specifically talks about the Jiveshwara Aikyam. Therefore, the whole mantra is the Mahavakya mantra. So here, the Sangati, Bhashyakara, what the Bhashyakara says is, Yat Brahmadi Stavaranteshu Vartamanam. Vartamanam, that which is Vidyamanam, that which is present. Present Brahmadi Stavaranteshu, starting from Brahmaji up to the Stavara. Stavara up to the Stavara. Stavara could be a plant, or Stavara could be a achara, that which is not movable. Sthirena tishtati. That is Stavara. Starting from Brahmaji up to the Stavara, trees, etc. Yat Vartamanam, the Brahma which is present as which is present in the form of existence, the Sat Swarupena. Abrahmavat Avabhasamanam. Tat Upadikatvat Abrahmavat Avabhasamanam Samsari. Abrahmavat Avabhasamanam. Abrahmavat means not different from Brahma. Abrahmavat, different from Brahma. Avabhasamanam, appearing as different from Brahma. The Brahma which is present in all the beings but appears as though different from Brahma. Why? Because tat upadikatvat. Because of different upadis. Tat upadikatvat. Upadikatvat. Upadikam. Upadikasya bhavaha. Upadikatvam. Upadikatvat tasmat. Because of having different upadis. Because of different upadis, Abrahmavat avabhasamanam. Abrahmavat avabhasamanam, and therefore samsari. Therefore samsari, and therefore parasmat anyat parasmat brahmana. Therefore different from Brahma. Therefore different from Brahma. Iti ashanka mabhut. Let there be no doubt like this. Stop. It Brahmadi Stavaranteshu Vartamanam Tat, that which exists in all, starting from Brahma up to the Stavara, because of different upadis, it appears as though different from Brahma, abrahmavat avabhasamanam, as though different from Brahma, and therefore it is samsari, because it is appears as though different from, it is different from Brahma because of upadhi, therefore samsari. Therefore it must be different from saguna, nirguna Brahma, parasmat, anyat parasmat brahmanah, therefore it must be different from Paramatma. Iti shanka, the doubt, let there not be this doubt. Iti shanka mabhut. Iti idam aha. Iti, this mantra, following mantra says. What is that? We will read. Yade vega tadamutra.
यदेवेह तदमुत्र
तदमुत्र
Yadamutra tadanviha.
यदमुत्र तदन्विह
Mrityo samrityam apnoti.
मृत्यो
समृद्धिमाप्नोति
Yaha naneva pashyati.
य इह नानेव
नानेव
पश्यति
पश्यति
Yaha yat eva iha. Yat eva iha tat amutra. Yat amutra tat iha anu iha. The first line, yat eva iha, whatever is here, that is the, whatever is here, that is the jiva, jivatma. In the upadhi of, in the jiva upadhi, yat eva iha, that which is in this jiva upadhi, tat amutra, that alone is in the upadhi of tat Ishvara. Yat amutra tat anu iha, that which is in the Ishvara upadhi, that alone is here in the jiva upadhi. That which is here is alone is there. That which is there, that alone is here. So, what is here is there, what is there is here. And those who don't understand this, and therefore, nana iva pashyati, they see it as different. What? Because they see upadhi. Upadhis are many. Therefore, upadhi drishtya nana bhavati, and that taking that to be the real. Nana iva pashyati, the one who sees this as different, one who appreciates the difference, the duality. What happens to him? Saha mrityam apnoti. Saha mrityam apnoti. Mrityoho mrityam apnoti. From mrityu, he gains mrityu. He goes from mrityu to mrityu. He goes from death to death. It means janma marana, that chakra, the samsara chakra, he continues to be in this samsara chakra, not understanding, not appreciating the reality. Because he sees upadhi bheda, upadhi difference, and therefore taking that to be real, not understanding the reality, therefore he continues to be a samsari. Iti, this mantra says. The Bhashyam, we will see that in the next class. This is a beautiful mantra. Vashyakara gives a beautiful Bhashyam to this. We will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद
जी।
धन्यवाद जी।